Hello, I'm going to show you how I went from this and how I achieved this super cute look. Keep watching. Get ready with me, makeup and hair, Miss Sassy Pat. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am starting off with toner. Then I'm going to use my moisturizer for my face. Then I'm going to use my spoolie to do my eyebrows and then use my Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil for my brows. And I love this pencil. I purchased it from Walmart for 89 cents. And there you go. I am not the best at doing my eyebrows, but I think I am getting better. And what I'm doing is just trying to fill in the sparse areas. Now on this brow, I do have a scar right there, and it's kind of hard for me to get them to match. So it takes a little bit of effort. I think that looks pretty good. So I'm gonna do my lips with my hydrating oil, and then I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. eyebrow wax pencil, which I love. Then I'm gonna use a little foundation. And I'm only doing the top portion of my face because I'm gonna wear a mask, and I normally don't do the bottom portion because I don't want to get the makeup on the mask. So I'm going to go in and comb out my brows, and I think that this just gives it a more natural look, and I normally do this step after I put on my foundation. There you go. And now I'm going in with my concealer, and I just want to, lighten up those dark spots underneath my eyes. And there you go. Now I'm doing my eye stamp because I'm a little challenged at doing the cat eye. And even though it wasn't perfect, I'm going to go in with my eyeliner and just do a very fine cat eye. It's a little wet, so I'm just going to go on ahead and just do my hair. I'm going to use my double buttercream as moisture. And then I'm going to spray some water on it. There you go. I'm going to do my eyeshadow, and I just do one line. Then I'm going to use this to do the inner corners of my eyes, and then I'm going to go in with my mascara. I am not a professional, but I think my look is super cute. And then I'm going to go in to do the finishing touches with this concealer. Then I'm going to do my blush as I use as eyeshadow to give my eyelids a little more pop of color. Then I'm going to go in with my brush again, and then I'm going to put on my two favorite necklaces, Love and Motivator. And I think my look is super cute. What do you think? Now this is my outfit, just a super cute summer top and some yellow shorts, and I'm going to put on my mask. Super cute. And this is my final look. Please follow me on Instagram, MsSassyPat. On YouTube, please like, comment, and subscribe and turn on your notifications. As always, thank you for watching my video, and I will see you on my very next one. Bye!